Hey guys, we're here at Range Day put on by Silencer Shop with Rugged Suppressors to talk about the Obsidian 9. I love this thing, man. We did a review of it quite a while back, but this is just one of my favorite 9mm suppressors, and with good reason. The configurability of it is badass. For those of our viewers that aren't familiar with Rugged, do you mind telling us a little bit about this and what makes it different than other 9mm suppressors on the market?
Sure, so there's some really cool details to this one. So you've got a 17.4 stainless mount, and that's where your serial number is. So good luck destroying that. And then they're all going to come with a standard piston. So on the 9mm you get 1/2x28. We've got 3-lug mounts, we've got fixed barrel spacers, we've got fixed barrel mounts, pistons and a variety of thread pitches. So it's very flexible. You can put it on a lot of different guns. And of course it's got the configurability, so you can remove this front section, move your end cap back, and you have a compact 9mm can. And then all the baffles on this can are 17.4 stainless, heat treated. It's a pretty tough can. You can do 300 blackout subsonic through this can.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay.
Yep. And yeah, it's a category killer for pistol cans.
So you'd mentioned having a 3-lug mount for it.
Mm-hmm.
We actually have an MP5 down on the range, so I'm excited to throw this thing on and hit the giggle switch.
Absolutely.
Let's do it, man.
All right.
All right, guys, we've got the Obsidian 9 here by Rugged, mated to a Noveske Space Invader. Here we go. This thing runs pretty damn good, man. In the short configuration, it's not incredibly loud. Definitely hear a crack to it, but we are running supersonic, so that's part of it. But this thing is freaking sweet, dude. I'm liking this suppressor a lot. All right, guys, so we're back out with the Obsidian 9 in the full configuration this time. Host gun again is the Noveske. Noticeably quieter. Let's bring some steel. God, this thing is freaking awesome, man. So noticeably quieter in the longer configuration. Not a whole lot of weight. This gun is not an incredibly heavy gun, so you'd think that you'd notice, you know, like a pound up front. But this thing is lighter than it looks and built super sturdy. Just real impressed with this thing overall. Rugged did a great job with this. So it's rated for full auto. I'm gonna go grab the MP5 with the giggle switch and let's test that out. So much freaking fun, man. That was freaking glorious. So a big thank you to Rugged Suppressors and Silencer Shop. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you guys next time on the Bullet Points. Hey guys, if you enjoy our reviews, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and then you can follow us on both Instagram and Facebook at the Bullet Points.